This theme is a recurring theme all the way throughout the 40 variations of the entire book. It's a really good way to practice quality of tone, vibrato, maybe some interesting shifts, and just intonation and quality, really the quality of sound you're producing. So really your goal is to make it as good as possible, as wonderful and as gorgeous as you can possibly do. And be sure to follow the dynamics and use just a lot of bow. Really supposed to be big bow, generous bow. Sevcik does lots of instruction as how much bow he wants us to use and where, but he doesn't really give a lot of instruction in the theme, hardly any, really. So just a couple of shifts, some dynamics, and that's about it. So it's really kind of up to you and maybe you and your teacher to figure out how to make this as musical as possible and gain some value out of this short little theme. You can really go deep and try to learn this, in depth and spend a lot of time on this, achieving the absolute top quality tone you can produce. Or you can just go over it a few times, try to gain some knowledge of the form, of the musical phrasing, and that might be enough for you. So really this depends on your level of playing, but to play this theme, you need to be able to play confidently in first and third position, because there's shifts going back and forth and you need to understand and be able to do them before you start this. So here I'd like to talk about 6 important points about playing the theme the right way. First is you need to keep the bow straight as you're playing this. Do not bend the bow. This is important. So keep the bow straight. Do not bend the bow. That's 2. Keep the same contact point as you're going through the piece. It is really important to make sure the contact point does not change as you're traveling through the notes, as you're going from one note to the next. 4 is precision in string crossings. This is extremely important to be as precise as you can possibly be when you're changing the strings. Just aim for high quality perfection as you can deliver. 5, different pressure in different dynamics. As you can see, dynamics change. They're not the same all the time. So the bow pressure will also change. Pay attention. This is important. And finally, look for smooth changes as you're changing the direction of the bow. Really as smooth as you can do. I mean, it must just be ideally seamless. I don't think I did a really good job. I could probably do better, but you should try and do better than me if you can. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, it would mean a lot to me if you visit my website for more information about the lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching.